Okay, so today we're going to be learning about transformations or translations. So a transformation is an operation that maps an original figure called the pre-image, so basically the original, into a new figure called the image or the new image. So on the graph to the left, you have triangle ABC is the pre-image, basically the original, and then A prime, B prime, C prime is the image. So that slash means prime. Basically, it's indicating that's the new image. A transformation contains position, orientation, or size of a figure. So today we're just changing the position of it. So rigid motion is when a transformation preserves the size and the shape of the figure. All corresponding sides and angles of the pre-image and image are congruent. So these are the rigid motions that you're going to be learning about: translations, reflections, and rotations. So today we're going to be doing translations. So you have the rectangle QRST, and I'll plot this for you. So Q is at -6, 1. So that's Q. And then R is at -3, 1. Positive 1. S is at 1, 5, -5. And then T is at -2, -7. So what they're going to do is they're going to move the X by adding 5 and the Y by adding 7. So Q was originally -6, -1. So you're going to add 5 to the X's, which is in the first position. So -6 plus 5 will now become -1. And then -1 plus 7 will become a positive 6. So Q is now -1, 6. S, or R, is -3, 1. So now you're going to add 5. So -3 plus 5 is 2. And 1 plus 7 is 8. So my new one will be 2, 8. And then S is 1, -5. So 1 plus 5 is 6. -5 plus 7 is 2. And then T is -2. So -2 plus 5 will be 3. -7 plus 7 is 0. And this will be your new figure. So basically, you just slid it up and over. So now, if you're online, it might be a little bit harder to do the drawing of the graph on the coordinate plane. So my main idea is you to get the new coordinate pairs. So that's what we're going to practice on number 2. So number 2 has a triangle with the vertices C, D, and E. And it's going to subtract 3 and add 8. So X minus 3 is -1. -1 plus 8 is 7. D is 7, -4. So 7 minus 3 is 4. -4 plus 8 is 4. And then E is 4, -6. 4 minus 3 is 1. -6 plus 8 is 2. That's your new coordinates. And let's try that again. Rhombus JKLM, and they're going to add 2, minus 2. So X plus 2, so -4 plus 2 is -2. 7 minus 2 is 5. K is 0 plus 2 is 2. 8 minus 2 is 6. L will be -1 plus 2, which will be 1. 4 minus 2 is 2. M is -5 plus 2 is -3. And 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, let's try another one. This time they're going to do X minus 7, and then they're just going to leave Y the exact same. So W will be 1 minus 7, which is negative 6, and then the Y stays the same. X is 6 minus 7, which is negative 1, and Y stays the same. Y is 4 minus 7, which is negative 3, and Y stays the same. Z is negative 1 minus 7, which is negative 8, and Y stays the same, so it stays 2. And that's how you do translations. Thanks, guys.